Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage supplemental insurance with Aetna, complete guide step by step clearly. To manage supplemental insurance with Aetna, start by gathering your personal information. This includes your Aetna member ID, policy number, and any relevant documents. Next, log into your Aetna online account or create one if you don't already have an account. Once logged in, navigate to the Claims section to view your existing claims. Here, you can check the status of claims you've submitted for your supplemental insurance. If you need to file a new claim, select the File a Claim option. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information about your medical services. Make sure to upload any required documents, such as receipts or medical bills. After submitting your claim, note the confirmation number for future reference. To manage your payments, go to the Billing section of your account. Here, you can view payment history, upcoming payments, and any outstanding balances. If you need to make a payment, select Make a Payment and follow the prompts. To set up automatic payments, look for the Autopay option in the billing settings. Review your policy benefits by navigating to the Benefits section. This section contains details about coverage limits, exclusions, and claims processes. If you have questions about your policy, use the Contact Us feature. You can reach customer service via phone, email, or online chat for assistance. For any discrepancies or issues with claims, it's best to call customer service directly. Keep all correspondence related to your claims for your records. To stay informed about changes or updates, check the news section of your online account regularly. Consider utilizing the Aetna mobile app for easy access to your insurance details on the go. Stay proactive about your health needs by regularly reviewing your supplemental insurance coverage. Lastly, reassess your policy annually to ensure it still meets your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.